I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your midday market update. Got some selling going on here. The traders that have been wanting this correction for some time are finally getting it. The Dow is down roughly about 200 points right now, so we're definitely getting to see some selling happening. Joining me now is Jason Weisberg from Seaport Securities. So Jason, we were just talking about this. Traders have been wanting a correction for some time. We've now finally strung together a few down days, so we haven't seen the buyers jump in on these dips either.
No, we haven't. I mean, the volume's not really there. I'm actually quite surprised at the negative action we've seen, the continuous negative action that we've seen in the market. It seems to be that we're having a little emerging market hangover, so to speak, between Argentina and Turkey. It seems to be spilling into our equities markets here, and I think that's you're seeing this the skittishness is playing a negative role in our equity market right now.
We really haven't talked about countries like that in a long time, so it sounds like it's kind of a flimsy excuse, just an excuse to sell.
Well, I would agree with that as well. I mean, it was pretty flimsy when we used to beat up on the equity markets when Greece was, collapsing, so to speak. Big picture, not a lot of people have exposure, or they didn't have a lot of exposure to Greece. It was really the bailout. It doesn't really change the corporate structure of what's going on here, certainly with U.S. equities, but if people are looking for a reason to sell, they'll sell.
Well, as we go through these earnings, we have, seen companies where they maybe hit their estimates, but when you look at the top line or the bottom line, it's not quite so encouraging.
I don't really view it that way. I will say that I think it was pretty well recognized by most people that the economy couldn't get much worse than it did last year, possibly the year before. So there's really nothing but upside in terms of some of these companies, trying to stretch out their profits and make more with what they're dealing with. Going forward, I only see improvement. I don't see, you can't get really worse than where we were. And, I think the prospects of Europe are rebounding, are in play, and I think that people shouldn't lose sight long term of where they think the world economy is going to be 6 months from now, a year from now, 2 yeyears from now, and that's how they really should look at their investment process.
Are your customers buyers now with the market coming down, or are you waiting for it to go a little further?
It's a bit mixed, but I think there's a lot of sideline action. People are taking a wait and see approach, and I think that's why you're seeing this drift downward. I mean, without buyers stepping in, if the momentum guys or the day traders want to push things lower, that's where they're going to go if no one's there to support them.
All right, well, if you're shopping for stocks, it sounds like you're waiting to get a little bit better of a discount. So for now, we're still seeing the selling, not seeing the buyers jump in on these dips. That's Jason Weisberg from Seaport Securities, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.